What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Yesterday, we're gonna take a look at today's chart, but we're gonna take a look at the candle yesterday. To me, it looks like market makers manipulating. We're gonna take a look at some information that goes to that point, and I think that's it. We're gonna make it a fast day because it is Friday. So TGIF to all you guys. I know you guys want to go enjoy your weekend, especially this month of December, the last month of the year. Unbelievable, but we gotta know what's going on with crypto because if we are invested, if we're planning on it, we need to know what's going on in these extremely volatile markets. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, let's get through this really quick because I think this is two pieces of data right here, okay? Bitcoin's recent dip below 100,000 was triggered a wave of liquidations. Over over $870 million wiped out from the market. The most significant impact was on leveraged traders who lost almost everything as Bitcoin tried and failed to maintain a six-figure mark. Over $489 million in liquidations were directly tied to Bitcoin, highlighting the extreme volatility of the market. Along with Bitcoin, other major assets like XRP, Dogecoin, Solana also saw significant liquidations. While Ethereum suffered losses of 85 million, exchanges like Binance and OKX were hit hardest, with millions in liquidations happening within hours. I'm sure their market makers are happy. I don't know what the article is all about. Binance and OKX make a lot of money taking the other side of positions with crappy traders, and most people are crappy traders. This liquidation event underscores the dangers of high leverage in a volatile market, and with Bitcoin testing support levels around 92,000, analysts are cautious. While Bitcoin could rebound, traders need to be careful as the market continues to adjust. Will Bitcoin regain its momentum, or will this correction signal a deeper downturn? We'll take a look at the charts, and I'll give you my opinion on things. Let's keep going here. Bitcoin and Ethereum are facing, this is another bit of data, are facing a major test at 2.3 billion in Bitcoin options. As 2.3 billion in Bitcoin options and 570 million in Ethereum options are set to expire soon. This could trigger significant volatility in the market, with the combined value of these expiring contracts sitting at nearly $2.87 billion. The expiry of these contracts represents 23,000 Bitcoins and 147,000 Ethereum, potentially affecting a price movement in the coming days. Bitcoin's current market sentiment is cautiously optimistic with a put-to-call ratio of 1.11, indicating a bias towards protective options, so they're protecting their downside. The maximum pain point for Bitcoin stands at 97,000, while Ethereum's is at 3,500. Bitcoin trading at 98,000 at the time of writing has already experienced a 4.5% drop over the past 24 hours, while Ethereum has seen a 2% dip to 3,860. What's particularly noteworthy is the expiration of these options, particularly the large number of put options could lead to increased market volatility as traders either hedge or close out positions. Additionally, the recent downturn in the market following Bitcoin's brief peak above 100,000 earlier this week might have cleared out excess leverage, yes, potentially setting the stage for a healthier market moving forward. And that's important that we take away. But the biggest takeaway is 2.87 billion in expiring Bitcoin and Ethereum options could lead to major price swings in the short term. Bitcoin's current maximum pain point is around 97,000, suggesting potential downside pressure, but also possibly a price stabilization point. Ethereum is also showing volatility with a maximum pain point of 3,500. The recent correction in the market has cleared some leverage, and the market is showing caution as implied volatility rises. What it means for the crypto market in the short term, the expiration of these large option contracts could create significant price swings as traders close out or adjust positions. With a lot of open interest tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we could see more selling pressure or a potential bounce depending on how market makers manage the liquidity and risk exposure. In the next few days to a week, expect heightened volatility and keep an eye on support levels for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The market may take time to stabilize before making a move toward new highs or facing further correction. Okay, so that's information that we want to have. Let's take away from this, and let's take a look at it yesterday. Look at this wick. Just clear, basically, like we just read, market makers doing market maker things, just clearing the board, getting rid of leverage positions, taking a lot of money out of the market, making a lot of money, and now this does open things up for Bitcoin to move forward or to drop as it says. I don't know. Right now, so far, we're keeping the top of the triangle. Right, we're on top of the triangle the last 3 days. Look, this is telling though. This is showing to me a lot of strength. I think we will go back up to 100,000. We will put bodies above this wick. I don't know if this week, maybe. Well, today's Friday. That's right. I forgot. Next week, Saturday and Sunday, I don't expect too much. But if I had to pick, I'd say my bias again is towards the upside, because this is showing a lot of strength, guys. A lot of strength. But let's see what's happening. Yesterday was a nice opportunity for things, whatever things dropped, to buy. Okay, so that's why you gotta stay on top of the game here, guys. So let's take a look at the DXY really quick. DXY is dropping, and that's awesome. At support, right? I mentioned this would be a possible support, and so far it is. Let's see if we can lose it. Let's go. Dow Jones, how we doing there? I think still going higher. Still going higher. NASDAQ after making all-time highs. NASDAQ after making all-time highs, looking to make all-time highs again today, 2 days later. S&P 500, same thing. After making all-time highs, looking to make all-time highs again, 2 days later. Unbelievable. Things are looking really good, guys, man. I really do hope you guys are positioned yourselves as best you can. After this drop in Bitcoin dominance, looks like we are stabilizing in between these two lines, right? 57% and 52%. How do others look? Others just keeps climbing, baby. Told you the money's in the altcoins, man. Especially these meme coins. Look at Mr. Miggles. All right. Part of the reason why this pumped is because Coinbase did another commercial type of thing, right? Another commercial type of thing, and they showed Mr. Miggles in that. Mr. Miggles had a cameo. Just this thing is gonna go so high, guys. And Mr. Miggles, compared to its brethren, Toshi, KeyCat, Dog and Me, right, was the last to move up. But I think it's gonna play a little bit of catch up here. Looking good, guys. Don't sleep on these projects, man. I keep on putting them in your face for a reason, right? And going over to Solana, Apple, looking like it's making a very hard floor right here. Boom, boom, boom. Double test right here. And now hopefully that has cleared it to move up into the next area, which I think will probably be around 0.0065. Right now it's at 0.0038. What is that? 100? What is that? 100% move right there? Only a 72% move just to get up there. And I think that's where it's going to go next. And after that, 0.009, and then top of this range, which is at a penny, and then higher. This thing's going to get out of here, and it's going to go hard. Something like this. Boom. Boom. At some point, you will see. Or it could be doing, well, it's already doing kind of like a head and shoulders, but it could be doing another head and shoulders. All right. If that would in fact be the case, it's going to, let's just make pretend that would be in case the neckline is right around here, basically. And the breakout would be right around here somewhere. That would take us to 2.5 cents easily. But remember, this is a huge head and shoulders that it's still printing, right? Massive head and shoulders. Head and shoulders, potential head and shoulders. We need the other shoulder right here. But this chart is extremely bullish. If this thing plays out, this thing is going way higher, guys. Let's do it this way. I'm telling you, man, I'm good at this stuff, man. I'm putting these things in your face for a reason. I'm hoping you guys make money. 10 cents. What is that from here? Only a 27x. Gotta love crypto. Gotta love crypto, and you gotta love memes. So Apple. All right. So there's another one. As we mentioned, let's go back to, because I know a lot of you guys like XRP. So this could have been the local top. Now, maybe it consolidates. It is day 4. So let's see if this thing starts moving up tomorrow or the day after. Could not. If it doesn't move up like this in the next couple of days, then yeah, it's consolidation. And if you want to get into this project, then that's what you would do it. But I mean, what does this thing got left in the tank? Like a 5x? 5x. This next major move on Apple, we'll get that for you. And I think it's going to happen, right? This next major move to 10 cents. It's 27x, guys. Come on, man. Stop it. This is where you don't be buying XRP. I mean, unless you're really risk averse, right? And you have a large amount of capital, even that, put some of it in these plays. But let's say that you are a risk averse. Then what are you doing even buying anything else other than Bitcoin and Ethereum? Right? You can get pretty much the same amount of returns, slightly less, maybe a little around the same Bitcoin than you can with XRP. We're taking a lot less risk. If you are risk averse, then just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you can take on some risk, then don't waste your time on XRP or these other ones that can only give you 5x, because the risk reward just doesn't make sense. Then take the extra risk, get bigger rewards. Go for Miggles, go for Toshi, okay? go for KeyCat, go for Dogemy. And if you want to feel real degenerate, then, you know, take a look at some of these other ones. Recently, this one moved. It's been moving, but I've been mentioning it to you. We're going to the base network again because I think base is gonna crush it. That's why I've been showing you so many base plays. And where is it? This thing's been moving. This has been moving up. This part right here was around like 500,000 market cap. Okay, and I was mentioning to you, hey, it looks like a rounded bottom. Looks like a rounded bottom, and so far so good. Although we have given back a lot, right? It went up as high as 0.0019. Now it's at 0.0014, 1.4 million in market cap. Still super early. This thing can go to 66 million in market cap. You'll make over 66x right there. No, I'm sorry. At this level, less than 66x, but I mean over 50x. Okay, over 50x, and well, it'll be a lot more than if you had put money on XRP. All right, coin 6900, a parody of coin base, and it's on base. And what these things are trying to do is they're trying to flip the valuation of this meme from the stock, like for example the Coinbase stock. They want to flip it. They want this meme to be worth more than that. If they can achieve that, or if they can even come close, it's amazing. It's amazing. Huge market cap, guys. I mean, ridiculous life-changing gains could be had. So, but I mean, it is a micro cap. So I mean, take that for what it's worth. But I mean, this one looks like a winner. Okay, and I think that's it. Okay, I see that things are gonna start looking like they want to move up. Obviously, if going back here and others, things are already moving up. Okay, and this is, again, remember what others is. It's the market cap for all of crypto, excluding the top 10, essentially low caps, right? Lower cap coins. Okay, because it does include like number 12 and number 11, number 12 and down. So I mean, those are higher cap, especially for what I look at. I compared to those, these are like micro caps. Okay, but these are where you make gains, man. I'm telling you, this is where you make gains in the Coinbases, and even like the larger ones, which are Migos, Toshi, KeyCat, Dogemy, right? Apple's in like a 3.8 million market cap, guys. These other ones, Migos, Toshi, KeyCat, Dogemy, they're in like the 100 million market cap. But Dogemy is like 50. But I was bringing them to your attention in like 20, 50. As Toshi was like at 50, 20, and like 10s, 11s as in Dogemy case, guys. Bring them to your attention super low, super early, man. Hope some of you guys were paying attention. But back to Bitcoin. Let's go Bitcoin. See if it wants to get back up to 100. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I'm extremely bullish. This thing is going to keep going higher, guys. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Right, it's already going by almost 15 minutes, guys. If you can, please like, subscribe. Please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. Plus, if you leave a comment, ask a question, I'll answer it. All right, cool. Have a great weekend. With all that said, I'll see you guys Monday. Thank you. Peace.